Salmon fried rice, bon appetit. Hello everyone, it's Youcook here. Welcome to my channel. For those of you who just found my channel today, welcome on board, and I hope you enjoy some of my recipes which I posted on this channel. For my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Today's recipe is salmon fried rice. It's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Unfortunately, my husband has to work today, so I am preparing this salmon fried rice for him to take it to work. These ingredients are under description as well. I'm using 6 cloves of garlic, mince it up, and 3/8 cup of parsley, chop it up just like that. I'm also using 1 cup of baked salmon. I have some salmon left over, so that's what I have there. I'm using a half teaspoon of sugar and half teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 clove of purple onion, chop it up just like that, a teaspoon of sesame seeds, and lastly 2 tablespoons of salted butter. I'm also using 2 cups of steamed rice for this recipe. Let's get cooking. Add in the butter first. Make sure your saucepan is coated with butter. Then add in chopped onion and give it a toss. Then add in minced garlic and stir it around until they turn a little bit light golden brown. Now add in the steamed rice, making sure all the ingredients such as herbs, onion, and garlic incorporate into the rice. Now add in chopped parsley and leave the second batch for later to use. I forgot to press the record button, so I didn't record the part where I prepare my eggs. But anyhow, once you prepare your eggs, add the rice back into the saucepan and give it a good stir. It's Father's Day, so I was rushing to get this recipe out. Also, I was rushing to have it ready so my husband can take it to work. He is working on Father's Day, unfortunately. The salted butter, garlic, onion, parsley, sesame seed, and salmon actually go so well together. It takes this recipe to a different level. It takes away some of the traditional Chinese fried rice, and it's moving toward the European fried rice. But I need to add my eggs in so I can still call it fried rice. That's it for this recipe. If you would like to know how salmon fried rice tastes like, give this recipe a try and let me know how it goes in the comment below. Thank you so much for your time and support. Salmon fried rice, bon appetit.